Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and this is the next video tutorial of inventory management system. And you know that we are talking about inventory. So here we are talking about ERP system. It's a long project, you can say. So but I will take time and I will design this. So first of all, I'm going to design BillType controller, and just I want to add the inject service of the iBillType service here. So here we have a builder dot services dot add scoped, and just I'm going to add builder type service. So I build type repo here, and just I want to implement this I build type repo. I want to implement a build type repo. I build type repo from build type repo. So this is the IOC container, and here we add in dependency, inject as dependency in the project. So okay, so now after that you can use I build type repo looking like that build type repo, and make as a constructor dependencies here. So initialize it in the constructor. Now after that you can use this get all method with the page size and the page number and the page size. So here I'm going to add page size and page number. Okay, so everything is fine now. Page size is 10 and the page number is 1. Okay, now the next step is to calling the get all method by using the build type. So build type repo dot get all with the page size and the page number. So you can use a tab key here, because in this video just I will take the help of GitHub Copilot. So very interesting thing with the GitHub Copilot. It suggests me what are you doing here right now. So this is the asynchronous task is assigned with the wait keyword. So index is there. Now add view for the index, and here add button index section method, because just I am going to show you what the build types is looking like in the UI. Okay, so wait for some times, I will show you the result. So here we have a public async task of iAction result, and here I'm going to add model using inventory.repository.paging and using inventory.viewModel.bill with the page list class. So here I'm using bootstrap right now. So here we have a row class column 6. Inside we have a single row, we have 2 columns with the divide is column 6. So add new build type. So just I'm going to add it here, that is the button control. And the next one is a search control. So just I'm going to add a text box right now, and after that you can search any text from the given list. Okay, so here we have a ASP action class BTN primary add, and in the section just I'm going to just write it the text, and the next section I will add the search box. Okay, so here we have a div class row form with the ASP action, you can say. But now right time I am going to use table right now here, because it's a list of the you can say it's a list of build types. So just I'm going to use table. So you can see that you can see GitHub Copilot suggests me the tables with their name and the descriptions. So here we have a name in the build type list view model, that is build type ID, build type name, and the description. So just remove all these things from here and just simply type the name. Okay, so you need this only the name, like this build type ID, looking like this build dash type ID, and the next one is the name, and or you can say that the title, because it's a header. Okay, so there is no need to use razor syntax right here. Okay, in the description you can say that if you are using different types of pagings, then you can use the data tab, because in a previous video tutorial if you have seen where I'm using data, because it's a page result class, sometimes there is no work functionally properly. So just I'm going to design my list class with the Cloud Scribe. So okay, there is a chance to use it. So here we have a model, and here I'm using page build type name, build type title, build type like that, build type name, and the description right here. So here we have item dot build type ID, build type name, and build type description. So here we have. Okay, so the next is that is the description. It's not there. Build type description is not there. Only the description is here, I think. Okay, very well. Now here I'm going to, you can see that a program.cs file is giving me an error related to the application DB context, because I think application DB context is a duplicate inside in the identity. Later on I will fix it. But you can see here we have add default identity, because when we are adding a identity in the project, that is the default identity will be added automatically by the scaffolding. So just I'm going to add identity, because in this project just I'm going to add a roles also, and application user is also. So here I'm using application user. Okay. So the next action method, or you can say that the next action method in the controller, that is HTTP GET for the create. So you can see that GitHub Copilot suggests me a action method code. Very well. Now next one is HTTP post for the create. You can see it's automatically suggests me that is the build type create view model, but I'm taking different names of the view model in later videos. Okay, you can see. So here we have a model state dot is valid. So just I'm going to call add method. So here you can say that a build type repo dot add with the model. But you can see that also a build type create view model is giving me an error. So just I'm going to resolve that first of all view model name. So here you can say that and here not exist actually. So just create a new name for the create section of the build type. So just I'm going to take the new name, that is create build type view model. That is the name. Fine. Now I'm going to edit here. Okay. So here we have a model, and I'm going to add method in the repository section. So while functioning with the add, and it's not good. Okay, so just now to add a method in the repository. So here void add create build type view model. Now the next one is void update delete, and the next one is get by ID is also there. So thank you to GitHub Copilot giving me a good chance to design the fast code. Okay, because it's a right code for design. It's automatically sends and what I'm writing here, so it's automatically do it. So you can see that add method is created in the implementation, but it's not converted into the model to view model. So just I'm going to add, go to definition, create build type view model, and here you can say that just I'm going to add build type view model to model. So let's you can see the full video, because you know that it's all about the CRUD operation, about the build types. So check it, and please subscribe my channel, and also like this video if you like this video, and please press the bell icon, because I need your support to for the better my YouTube channel, for better future of my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching.